So here, for example, your present age is 20 years. 3 years ago, your age was 20 minus 3, 17 years. Clear? So this is case 1. So case 2, yours age 3 years ago was 17 years. What about present age? 17 plus 3, 20. 17 plus 3, 20. Okay. So here similarly, this is most important and interesting one. Yeah. So A is equal to S divided by N. So average is equal to sum of by number of. Average is equal to sum of by number of. Average is equal to sum of by number of. Yeah, please tell me. Roll number 524. Tell me, ma. Yeah. So here, 3 years ago, the average age of a family of 5 members was 27 years. Clear? So average is 27 years. So S divided by number of 5 only. Okay? 5 only. So S is equal to 27 into 5. 135 years. So here, this is about 3 years ago. 3 years ago. 3 years ago. So come to present. Here, each person increases 3 years. Each person increases 3 years. What about 5 members, ma? So present 135 plus 3 into 5. Each person increases 3 years. So here we have 5 members. 5 into 3, 15. So 135 plus 15, 150 years. 150 years. Okay, 150 years. So after that, A is equal to S divided by M. Average is also 27 years. So 27 is equal to 150 plus X. So this is the child age X. Okay. So 150 plus X divided by number of 5 members plus 1 member. So 6 members. So 162 is equal to 150 plus X. 150 plus X. Clear? So X is equal to 12 years. X is equal to 12 years. So this is the age of the child. Simple, ma. Average is 27 years. So here we have 5 members. 5 into 27. 5 into 27, 135. So this is about 3 years ago. Each person increases 3 years. So 5 members. 5 into 3, 15. 135 plus 15, 150. Clear? So after that, average is also 27 years. Clear? So here 6 members. Here we have 6 members. 6 into 27, 162. 162 minus 150, 12 years. So this is the age of the child. Age of the child. Yeah. Next question, ma. Next one. In a certain code language, Madras is coded as MBESBT. Then how is Bombay coded in that language? Then how is Bombay coded in that language? Bombay coded in that language. So simple, ma. So here, what is the, here we have 26 letters, ma, alphabet, right? So what is the first letter, ma? What is the first letter? A. Second letter, B. Third letter, C. So what is the seventh letter? Seventh letter. Okay. So here, A, B, C, D up to X, Y, Z. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 24, 25, 26. So what is the first letter, ma? First letter is A. Third letter is C. 24th letter is X. 25th letter Y. 26th letter Z. 27th letter again A. 27th letter again A. 28th letter again B. Clear? So it is a cycle. Clear? So what is the seventh letter? So here, what is the seventh letter? Seventh letter, right? So here, seventh letter is G. So what is the place value of G? What is the place value of G? 7. So contains 7. So place value of G is 7. These are most important mark. So what is the place value of G? 7. So what is the place value of T? T20, 2020 match. So what is the place value of T? 20. Next one, what is the place value of E? E for elephant. Elephant has 4 legs plus 4 legs plus 1 trunk. That is equal 5. So what is the place value of E? 5. So what is the place value of G? 7. What is the place value of T? 20. So similarly, what is the place value of X? X roads, crossroads, chaurasta. It contains 4 roads. So after 20, 24. So here the place value of X is 24. X roads, crossroads, chaurasta. It contains 4 roads. After 20, 24. Clear? So place value of X 24. So next one, what is the place value of F? Place value of F. F 6. 6 fix. Please remember like this one. So F place value 6. 6 fix. Clear? So similarly, here the question is, in a certain code language, Madras is coded as NBESBT. Then how is Bombay coded in the language? So here, what is the language? Actually, a code is a system of signals. A code is a system of signals. A code is a system of signals. Therefore, coding is a method to transmit a message from a sender to the receiver without knowing third person. Clear? Got it, ma'am? So a code is a system of signals. Therefore, coding is a method to transmit a message from a sender to the receiver without knowing third person. So here, Madras is our language. Clear? Bombay is also our language. Clear? So here we don't know the code of NBESBT. Clear? First of all, find the code between Madras and NBESBT. Clear? So Madras coded as NBESBT. Okay. What is the place value of M? 13, A1, D4, R, 18, A1, 19, 14, 2, 5, 19, 2, 20. So here, the difference between first letter and first letter is 13, 14 difference plus 1. So next A to B, 1 to 2 plus 1. So 4 to 5 plus 1, 18 to 19 plus 1, 1 to 2 plus 1, 19 to 20 plus 1. So here the logic is plus 1. Apply the same logic on Bombay. Apply the same logic on Bombay. 2, 15, 13, 2, 1, 25 plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Third letter C. Third letter C. Third letter C. Next 15 plus 1, 16. 16th letter P. 13 plus 1, 14. N. So 2 plus 1, 3. Third letter C. Next 1 plus 1, 2. B. Next 25 plus 1, 25. 25 plus 1, 26. 26th letter Z. So here, first of all, find the logic between Madras and NBSB2. So that is plus 1. Apply the same logic on next one. That is CPN, CBZ. This is most easy problem. Clear? Easy one. So next one. In a certain code language, chalk is coded as DJ DPP. Then how is duster coded in the language? Then how is duster coded in that language? Then how is duster coded in the language? Please try it, ma. Yeah. So here, what is the place value of C? 3. What is the place value of H? 8. So what is the place value of A? 1. So what is the place value of L? 12. So K? 11. So similarly, so here what is the logic, ma? Chalk is coded as DJ DPP. So 3, 8, 1, 12, 11. Okay. 4, 10, 4, 16, 16. So 3 to 4, difference plus 1. Okay. Next, difference between second letter. 8, 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So here the logic is plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, plus 5. So increasing order. Apply the same logic on duster. D-U-S-T-E-R, duster. So what is the place value of D? 4. U 21, S 19, T 20, E 5, R 18. Clear? So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. So here the sixth letter is the difference between sixth letter is plus 6 or again plus 1. So depends on options. Clear? So here I am taking increasing order. Otherwise, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. Again plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. It's a cycle. Clear? Depends upon options. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 5. Fifth letter E. Next 21 plus 2, 23. W. Okay. Next 19 plus 3, 22. 22nd letter X. V. Right? X. Next JX. EW, VX, JX. Yeah, please tell me, Rajesh. Yeah, just tell me. Rajesh.
Sir, it's by mistake, sir. Please carry on.
Okay. Right, ma. Right. Thank you. Is chalk is coded as DJDPP. Then how is duster coded in that language? So that is EWVXJX. EWVXJX. Okay. So come to the third one. Next one. Yeah. Next one. In a certain code language, men is coded as Z. Then how is class coded in the language? Then how is class coded in that language? You just write ma. Take 30 seconds. First of all, give the place value of respective letters. Okay. So here men. Men is coded as ZJB. Then how is class? How is class coded in that language? So simple ma. First of all, give the place value M13, E5, N14, Z26, N2. So here simple ma. It is increasing double. Clear? So 13, 26, double. 5, 10, double. Next 4, 2. Second letter as well as 28th letter B. Clear? So here we have 26 letters up to Z. So Z place value is 26. 27th letter A. 28th letter again B. Clear? So here into 2, into 2, into 2. So here the logic is into 2. Apply the same logic on next word. So that is class. So 3, 12, 1, 19, 19. So 3 into 2, 6. Sixth letter F. Next 12 into 2, 24. X. Clear? So 1 into 2, 2. Right? B. So 19 into 2, 38. So 38th letter. So 38 minus total letters. How much it is? 12. 12th letter L. Again 19 into 2, 38. 38th letter as well as 12th letter L. Answer FXB LL. FXB LL. Okay? FXB LL. FXB LL. Yeah. Next one, in a certain code language, parrot is coded as UPS SBQ. Then how is bird coded in the language? Then how is bird coded in that language? Yeah. Okay. So parrot. So what is the logic now? PARROT. Parrot. UPS SBQ. UPS SBQ. Then what about bird? BIRD. Bird. Okay. So here 16, 1, 18, 18, 15, 20. So 21, 16, 19, 19, 2, 17. Clear? So simple ma. Here the best logic is 20, 21. First letter becomes last letter. So 20, 21. So 15, 16. T, U, O, P, R, S, A, B, P, Q. So first letter becomes last letter becomes first letter. So here the logic is reverse plus 1. Reverse plus 1. So apply the same logic on bird. 2, 9, 18, 4. D. After D, E. 4 plus 1, 5. R, S, I, J, B, C. E, S, J, C. So here the logic is reverse plus 1. Here the logic is reverse plus 1. ESJC. So next, in a certain code language, boy is coded as 42. Then how is girl coded in that language? How is girl coded in that language? So boy, BOY is equal to 42. So what is the place value of B? 2, O 15, Y 25. Addition of these three values is equal to 42. Clear? So what about girl ma? G, I or L? 7, 9, 18, 20, 12. Okay. So that is equal to 46. 46. So here the logic is sum. Here the logic is sum. Next one. Boy is 126. Boy is 126. Then what about girl? GIRL. So 2, 15, 25. So sum is 42. 42 into 3, 26. So sum into 3. So similarly, sum into 3. So 7, 9, 18, 12. Sum is 46. 46 into 3. 138. Answer 138. Depends on options. Depends on options. Otherwise, one more logic. One more logic. Sum into number of letters. Sum into number of letters. Depends on options. Clear? Sum into number of letters. 126. Clear? 42 into 3. Number of letters 3. 42 into 3. So similarly, girl, sum into number of letters 4. So sum into 4. How much it is? 46 into 4. 184. So depends upon options. Okay. So first logic is sum of place value into 3. So we'll get 138. Clear? So second logic is sum of place value into number of letters. Into number of letters. We'll get 184. Here we have two logics. Just copy it. Yeah, next one. So in a certain code language, Rama is coded as 64. Then how is Ravana coded in the language? Clear? So Rama is coded as 64. Then what about Ravana? Okay, simple ma. So here how many letters ma? 4. 4, 4 cube, 64. 4, 4 cube, 64. So number of letters, power 3. Okay. So here we have 4 letters, 4 cube. In Ravana, 6 letters, 6 cube. 6 cube value, 216. So this is the answer. So here the logic is number of letters cube. Number of letters cube. Simple logic. Clear? Number of letters power 3. Number of letters power 3. Okay. Next one. So next one. In a certain, how is teacher coded in the language? Take 60 seconds timer. You just try it. Okay. 7 minutes. Okay. So chair, CHAIR. Chair is coded as 120. Then how is teacher? TEACHER. Teacher coded in that language. Clear? So simple ma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 cube minus 5. 125 minus 5, 120. So number of letters, 5. 5 cube minus 5. So here the logic is n cube minus n. N cube minus n. So similarly, teacher, 7. 7 cube minus 7. So 7 cube value, 343 minus 7, 336. This is the answer. So here the logic is n cube minus n. N cube minus n. 7 cube minus 7. 7 cube value 343 minus 7 336. Answer. Okay, next one. In a certain code language, king is coded as JLHO. Then how is prince coded in that language? Then how is prince coded in that language? How is prince coded in that language? Prince coded in that language. Okay. King is coded as JLHO. Then how is prince? Prince coded in that language. Prince coded in the language. Clear? So here IJKLGHNO. So here the logic is half of the letters reverse plus 1. Simple ma. I, J, K, L. Divide half of letters. Half of letters, reverse plus 1. So similarly, half of letters, reverse plus 1. I, J, R, S, P, Q. Next E, F. Next C, D, N, O. Answer J, S, Q, F, D, O. J, S, Q, F, D, O. D, O. J, S, Q, F, D, O. Okay, half of the letters, reverse plus 1. Next, Mahatma, M-A-H-A-M, Mahatma is called as H-A-M-A-M-T. Clear? So then how is Bhagat Singh? Bhagat Singh called in the language. So simple ma. So here the best logic is okay. First three letters, last three letters, right? So the middle letter should be same. Here A, right? So reverse. M-A-H-H-A-M. H-A-M. Reverse first three letters. So after that, reverse last three letters. Clear? So similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first six letters, last six letters. A, H, G, A, H, B. Okay, so the middle letter should be same. Okay, H, G, N, I, S, H. So this is the answer. So here the logic is first three letters, last three letters. So the reverse of first three letters and the reverse of last three letters, the middle letter should be same. There is no change. Clear? So this is the today's session, ma. So will any doubts? Doubts? If you have any doubt, please raise it, ma.